Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues or problems on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop, you will click OK. Here we'll go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.